I cannot hear you. Can you please show love for Ethiopia? It's my very first time to sing a different language.
When you went around the city, the capital, there was not one single ugly woman.
Is that Ghana?
It was not Ghana.
Are you sure?
I've been to Ghana many times. It was not Ghana.
Which other country is there? Who here can guess? If it's not Ghana, which country do you think it is?
Ethiopia.
Where? Senegal?
I've been to
Zimbabwe.
Senegal. I've been to at least 30 African countries. I can tell you, it wasn't Senegal, that's for sure.
Let's shock them.
Okay.
We'll surprise
Which,
you.
it wasn't Ghana, it wasn't Senegal, it wasn't South Africa, it wasn't Zimbabwe.
Ethiopia.
Well,
You sabi better thing.
there was no ugly woman in that country. Yeah, at least in the capital. Maybe they were in the countryside or in the capital. So here we're gonna prove it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna prove it. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, all eyes on stage. Not on me, oh, no. On the person that's about to come up. She's a very beautiful and talented musician all the way from Ethiopia. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Veronica.
Fantastic.
Woo, woo, woo.
Are you guys having a good time? I cannot hear you. Are you guys having a good